Okay, this is it, our last week of Math and Logic for the summer of 2020. I know it's been a really busy summer. I appreciate all of your hard work. It's kind of crazy that it's the last week already, though maybe for some of you it doesn't feel that crazy because you've worked so hard. Um, this week you don't have a problem-solving problem. There's no weird project where you have to go watch a bunch of videos to figure out what's going on. It's just two homework assignments on the quadratic equations, and then the algebra unit test. It's a lot less than I've been having you do the previous weeks. Just remember to actually go do it. I'm working on grading things first. Logic gate projects. I want to get those done because they're a bigger part of your grade. Then I'll get around to problem solving problem 6. Then I'll probably kind of meander back and forth between message boards and the algebra unit test for those of you that have those done. I'll let you know what your final grade is as soon as I see that you're done with everything and I've graded everything that I need to. Um, I asked for a little patience here because it's just a lot. It's a lot to grade, but I want to make sure that I go through your problems, go through your logic projects, and give you some of that feedback because I think that that's important to close the loop on the work you've done. For sure, I will have grades done by a week from Friday. So that would be July, I'm going to say 31st. Final grades will be in. You should hear from me before that. Like I said, I'll email you once I know you're all set. Uh, this was a hard summer for me personally, emotionally, but I've got to tell you, those problem solving problems, I really enjoyed reading your solutions to those. Sometimes they were funny, sometimes they were really clever, sometimes I could see you struggle and then get to that aha moment. Um, and sometimes they were just really good solutions to not the problem I was asking at all. And I mean, seeing all of that, seeing all of you work through those problems is really been a highlight for me this summer. So I appreciate that. I hope you all learned something from this class. If you have feedback for me personally, please feel free to reach out directly. Um, no matter what that feedback is, if you think I can improve the course or there's something you liked or didn't like, shoot me an email with that. I'd really appreciate it. If there are things you want the college to know about the course, about either how the course is itself or how I'm doing, please make sure you fill out that survey in Blackboard. It's linked to in Blackboard and asks you, how did you do in the class? How was the instructor? Did you learn go through all those questions. That's important for my feedback. So my dean looks at those, other people look at those. So in fact, if you have feedback or not, please fill out that survey quick, blow through it. But again, if you have something more personal or something that you'd like me to know as to what I can do to improve the course, you can put it in that survey or you can email me directly. Thank you very much. Again, I appreciate all of your hard work this summer. And I don't know if I'll see you around. I don't know what a lot of you look like, which is really sad for spending 8 weeks together, 9 weeks together. But anyway, thanks. I appreciate it. And hang in there. Let me know if you have questions via email.